The next market is the gold market. And first chart up is our yearly chart showing us the good thrust that we had, the bull market that gold is experiencing, as well as the ABC XRP at 1500. Quarterly, also good thrust. The COP at 1257 has been the resistance that's been holding this market back this last couple of weeks. Now, taking a look at the monthly, we can see our monthly trend is still up, and we can see our support areas on this month: 1130 confluence and 1040 to the next confluence area. Monthly resistance, this wash and rinse of this old high at 1226, a wash and rinse here. I did place a question mark because it could be that it's just a reaction from the COP, not really a wash and rinse. But we've been discussing that with wash and rinses, you usually get some kind of rally towards this old high that's been washed, and that's usually your entry. If the market can continue moving higher and take out this high, I think gold is going to be in for another good rally. But for now, it could be that there's a monthly wash and rinse, and we're going to have to monitor our resistance areas closely to see if the gold starts heading lower again from the resistance. Weekly trend is down, but we had this wash and rinse down here of this confluence area, and we can see that we're starting to head higher. Stops at 1218.80. The high for this last week was 1216. So these stops are still in place. They're still there to be taken out. And let's take a look at our resistance, 1223. There, so you can see the 1223 area is close to that old high. This resistance area should hold for the market to turn lower. If we can move through it, we're most probably going to see a test of this quarterly COP again, or even a break of the high and a move higher. Now let's take a look at the overbought, oversold on the weekly. Neutral territory, not really much to say on that. And then our daily support. We can see the agreement that we had down here and the good rally that we got off there. Now I'm going to take out all these support, and I'm going to draw in the new support areas that we have as the market stands now. It's only these two. That's the daily support that we're sitting with. Daily trend up, and we're getting some good reaction from that daily buy signal. Daily resistance, there's that multi-bar railroad track and wash and rinse, and we can see that we have formed a nice ABC with our agreement area at 1226. So 1223, the first resistance on the weekly, 1226, the next one on the daily. This market should stay below this 1228 for the wash and rinse sell to have an effect on the market. If we can move through this agreement and stay above 1228, the next real resistance area is the OP at 1246. So yes, I think to sum up, the gold market is still going to continue moving higher to target these stops, and most probably going to see resistance at the agreement. That's also a low risk sell with possible monthly wash and rinse, and the weekly still down, and it's a tight sell, so a tight stop, I mean, so you can sell it here with your stop just above this 1228 level. It's a 2, 3, make it $5 stop on the gold. The second last chart is our overbought, oversold. You can see we're in neutral territory. And then the last one is that 60-minute bit hours chart that we are at last week. I said there was possible 2 good buying opportunities. The first confluence, I've taken out the other footnote. The reaction point was over here. Was the first buy opportunity, and this one the second one with your stop just below it. You can see that turned out nicely. The market did break the first one, got support at the second one, started to rally, had this correction over here with this ABC, a COP over here. Now it's possible that a lot of people panicked here and got rid of their long positions. But the prudent place would have been just to keep your stop below the confluence. And now we're sitting with a good profit, and we have the ABC on the daily with our COP. That's most probably the next logical place to book your profits. And as I said, also a low risk selling opportunity if the monthly does have a wash and rinse and the weekly is down and it's quite a tight stop.